Another part just came in. My Flatland Racing skid plate. And pretty simple. It's got 2 bolts there, and let's see if it fits. Well, there you have it. Flatland Racing skid plate. Super simple, obviously. Looks pretty clean. Looks nice. It's gonna protect the bottom of my engine and the water pump and the little filter cover pretty well. So looks pretty nice. So quick little update on the recent install of the Flatland Racing skid plate. And one of the benefits to the skid plate is that it flares out on either side, protecting the clutch cover on one side and water pump and oil filter cover on the other side. But I don't have the biggest feet, but I've already noticed that I've not so much on the braking side, but on the shifting side, when I go to downshift, every once in a while I'll hit that, which really sucks. I have to decide whether I need to return this and get something with less of a flare, or change my shifting habits. Back in the garage, back from my ride, and I think I'm going to keep the skid plate for now. I've got some new boots coming, and I'm going to see whether I'm still hitting it with those. I imagine I'm going to hit it even more with those, and we'll see. I don't have a huge foot. It's 11 and a half. So problems probably with me with the way I'm shifting, but I'll try and make adjustments and see if this thing's going to work. If not, I'll have to sell it on eBay, cut my losses. That's it for me. Let me know what you think, if you've got a Flatland Racing skid plate, and if you like it, and what you've done with the flared out edges. I guess it's possible I could bend them in a bit to provide a little more space for my toe, but let me know what you guys think. All right, see you next time.